Welcome to IncreaseRSS.com's video tutorial series. In this video, we'll discuss the different levels of cloud computing services and the ways in which businesses can utilize them. In our previous video, we talked about cloud computing and how users can utilize different cloud services from a remote location to conserve technological resources. There are many different types or levels of cloud services available, with many new kinds of services being developed all the time. The first service we'll be talking about is called Platform as a Service, or PaaS, which is effectively rented use of remote hardware along with the operating system and any additional software that might be needed. Utilizing a PaaS allows users to install and offer access to a given application that then runs on the remote system. Using the system's preloaded software and processing capabilities, you can log in and gain access to the system from the front end, from nearly any system, regardless of whether or not that front-end computer meets the system requirements. This service comes in handy for developers, who can then work on and test a given program on almost any computer, and even coordinate their efforts with other developers from across vast distances. A developer in Japan can simultaneously work on a program with a developer in New York, accessing all the necessary data and running the program itself from the shared resource of the remote cloud platform. There are many businesses that offer Platform as a Service, a prime example being Amazon. Amazon Web Service offers the cloud computing platform EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud. This service allows subscribed users the use of remote systems, whereby virtualized servers are created for the sole use by that user. The virtual server represents a compartmentalized state of the overall system. Each virtual machine has its own operating system and software loaded to it, with each full system device capable of supporting numerous virtual systems simultaneously, allowing multiple developers to use the system at the same time without interfering with the other's work. Users share the system like tenants share an apartment complex, each with their own rented unit, for which only they have the key to access their apportioned space. Logging onto these servers offers developers all the necessary software and hardware capabilities needed to run their program, and the users pay for the service on a usage-based rate, similar to a utility. This is where the elastic term is derived from for the service, in that what the user pays is directly proportional to the use of the service they subscribe to, and can expand or contract depending on the use of the service. Likewise, applications can be offered to end users via cloud platform services, opening the market to users whose primary systems may fail to meet the minimum hardware or software requirements to run their program. This level of cloud computing is called Software as a Service, where cloud platform services offer clients the use of a platform system to run their own programs. Software as a Service, or SaaS, offers clients the use of programs already loaded to the cloud system. These can be applications like accounting or word processing software, and other tools critical to your business. Unlike programs installed to your dedicated system that may require licensing fees and periodic upgrades or support costs, cloud-based software services offers users access to the software as a shared resource among the different tenants who access the software from the same remote system. The host of the cloud software service only needs the one license for broad use, and typically the software they offer has been designed by the host company specifically for the use of that service. Some cloud services offer their services for free and generate revenue via advertisements placed on the front end, while other services charge a subscription fee with variable levels of subscribed access rates and measures for paid services. Generally, Software as a Service is accessed via a web browser, with the front end built into a website established and maintained by the host cloud service provider. Another level of cloud computing is web-based services that utilize the cloud format to access sites or systems without navigating to that location. A dedicated application program interface installed on your local system can access the specific function the API is programmed to run and perform the operation remotely, producing the results on your local system. The API is typically offered by the service provider and establishes a direct link to the service, whether it's a feature like Google Maps or an interface that connects you with online stores like Amazon. Through the API, the user gains full access to the software or services they're logging into, and in this way ties into other forms of cloud networking like platform and software as a service. And last but not least, managed services is a cloud service level where an information technology service provider takes on the basic management and maintenance of a dedicated system. This can include spam filtering, data backup and retrieval,